After a few minor mishaps, we finally arrived at Mount Terrible. But it wasn't long before the weather set in and we had to leave to try and make it back to camp before dark. I got him.
You got nothing.
After only travelling about 2k's, we spent the next few hours winching and dinging vehicles out before heading back to camp, cold, wet and tired.
Down here maybe a couple of days ago, but it doesn't look like anyone's been down here for a while. Oh yeah, I can just see Adzi again now. The visibility's not real flash. Nah, you can't. You can only see sort of 20 metres in front of you. You can't really see where the track goes. But I don't know. What's everyone's feeling? Do we push on here or do we go back where we come from? What's that other track that we came past just as we got to the very top here? Newman track or Edmund track or something like that? Yeah, Newman I think it was. How did that go in comparison? Yeah, I think this is the track that we normally take, I think. This is still Mount Terrible track, the one we're on now. Yeah, correct. Just give us 2 minutes, I'll go ahead and see what I find.
After a quick chat amongst ourselves, the decision was made to continue on and not backtrack. In hindsight though, we should have turned around and head back the way we came.
We should have got the toboggans out for this hill. Won't take long to get them there. So right as in down.
Conditions were getting worse by the minute, and it wasn't long before we got the call to stop at the top of the next hill. Tom a third of the way down, Adam 2/3 of the way down, and Mark at the bottom. It was time to unwind the winches and get out the snatch straps. A fair bit of work to be done and not much time to do it in.
Go again. Whoa! It's alright, I'll go last. It'll be right. You know there's a worry when they remove children from the car when they're about to start winching. Oh, he's heard that before. Steer right one. You have to start pulling up. The cruiser up the hill.
Seeing that?
Just yoinking it over.
Right hand down, right hand down. Sit. Hold it, hold it.
This is pretty tough initiation into the mountains. Didn't even nurse you in with like a nice little easy one for Easter or something.
Yeah, it could have been better.
No, come up the mountain. It's really slippery, there's snow everywhere and you can't see, it's great.
All day.
So far, you been bogged? Yep.
Yep.
You been bogged?
Yep.
Have I been bogged? No. This could be interesting.
Actually wants to take a bit down as well. Yeah, it was only going to get half of the 10 metres otherwise.
Yoink!
Half is a bit of an extra.
Now Mark should come forward. No.
Now we're going to have to redo that because we've used up a little bit of wind to cross it.
When are you going to need that blue strap you had?
But I've just finished rolling up.
Yeah. You did a real good job though. That's some of the nicest rolling I've seen in ages. The next bloke down, he's going to look at this and go, looking forward to a hot shower.
Yeah.
I'm not cold, my feet are cold.
Yeah.
The rest of me's right.
Ready to go. I shouldn't have said we'd get home right on dark.
Should have put the slow cooker on.
It'll still be burnt.
Might be pub meal tonight the way we're going.
I just don't have to wait all the time.
Every night.
Easy.
I got it. Get it. Phil, get this quick. I got him.
You got nothing.
And mind you, there's massive stingrays and shit swimming around. Blood angry!
Yep. What?
Wind it in the other end now. Here you go. Want some gloves.
So we
That would have been a scary moment for us.
Oh yeah, that's close.
that's right. Nah, the tree, even the tree's on the right lane for us.
Get into that hollow, he's off. I'll just cut the rope and tell him to go.
I suppose there's two bloody cars lifting up that now, really.
Yeah, it's a bit of weight on it. We're just going to go up the top. You just see the two cars just wedged together. That's got a little bit of stress going on that.
It's only half a tree, too.
Going.
That'd be not cool.
Not where they are right now.
Send it.
You can't, not going to build up that much momentum from there. You can't ski down. This was nice lush snow before.
Oh, hang on. You have made a bit of a mess up here.
And here comes the blizzard.
We probably missed the turn off. This is actually a snow sled.
Gotta get out there.
It was 4 o'clock when I was talking to that lady on the phone up there.
That's 45 minutes there.
Half an hour of lightning.
It's gonna take us that long to walk up. What's your plan, Stan?
Can we film both of the logos on the back?
Yeah, for a minute. Just give me a sec. Just give me a sec.
Lucky the girls aren't there, so they're not getting lucky tonight. That won't work hard enough to climb it up.
Righto. Other boys have got down from where they are, heading out the other side. We're trying to get Tommy back up. He's a little way down, too far. We've tried to drive him out, can't drive him out, so now we're trying to winch out. It's getting late. It's already 5:30. It's going to be real ordinary getting home. Let's see how we go.
Just make sure that bag's this side of the V-shape.
So, new plan. Pulling off these trees, get some angle to try and pull Tom back onto the track if we can, and then we can pull him up straight again. There we go, mate. And as you can tell, it's starting to get dark. It's going to be a very interesting drive home.
Night had well and truly set in, and we were still winching.
Keep it coming, Tommy.
This seemed like it could go on forever and ever, but after a few hours of perseverance, we finally made it back to a bit of flat ground where we could turn around and make our way back to camp.
Hold up! Hold up!
Shine a light on us there, Jess.
I got a better torch.
The Off-Road Tradies wouldn't be possible without our sponsors and supporters. You can find the Off-Road Tradies on Instagram and Facebook.
If you're interested in any of our tag-along tours, please check out our website for up-to-date information on upcoming tours. Or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you find the right tour for you.